one of the largest threat to the warfighter is small, quiet, lethal और highly mobile जो कि ड्रोन है। नॉर्थरूप ग्रमन ने डिज़ाइन किया और इंटीग्रेट अ फुल सिस्टम to identify, track and eliminate unmanned ground and aerial system. Mobile acquisition को combine कर और effector also known as mace with our Bushmaster chain gun and ammunition. Mace जो कि एक मोबाइल सिस्टम है used to detect track ID to both aerial and ground targets. As shown, mace system accessories and track moving target and give the exact location to the nearby Bushmaster chain gun. The M230 LF chain gun or newly adopted XM914 US Army variant जो कि लाइट वेट है 30 by 113 mm chain gun है, featured here on the Bushmaster gun truck when used in conjunction with a mace Bushmaster chain gun, providing a reliable and economic defense. Helping to provide this level of lethality is Northrop Grumman advanced ammunition. Shown here, the system utilizes XM1211 high explosive proximity fuse ammunition and XM1198 high explosive dual purpose self-destruct rounds to engage ground and aerial targets. By combining mace Bushmaster chain gun and advanced ammunition, this is highly effective solution for force protection and state security.